guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to the French market in New Orleans today. So guys, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Similar to some European markets, this historically charming open-air market features shopping, dining, music, and local tradition that is uniquely New Orleans. From Cafe du Monde near Jackson Square to the flea market at the end of Esplanade Avenue, the French market includes 5 blocks of local produce, specialty art, handmade crafts, retail shopping, and more. A historically popular shopping area in 1791, the French market originated as a Native American trading post along the Mississippi River. From there, it continued to evolve into a cultural and commercial hub for New Orleans as French and Spanish colonies opened the market up to ships and traders from all over the world. Over the next 3 centuries, immigrants from Europe, Africa, and the Caribbean began to open their own venues at this French Quarter market, offering everything from Italian butcheries to African coffee and Choctaw spices. Today, the French market has become one of the most popular destinations in the city. Its large variety of food stands, restaurants, and outdoor dining spaces draw in hungry visitors for anything from small snacks like these gator bites and frog legs to large meals and even packaged goods to take home as souvenirs. One of the most popular attractions at the market is the fresh and delicious Farmers Market Pavilion. Visitors come from near and far come to visit this pavilion full of local produce and specialty foods with worldly inspiration. The pavilion is open daily and includes full-service eateries for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, as well as unique drink, sweets, and snack options, just like the Gator Bites. In addition to the daily offerings at the pavilion, the farmers market also hosts special fresh food markets on Wednesday and Sundays, bringing in the finest vendors in region with everything from seasonal vegetables to homegrown spices. I went here on Thursday, so I just missed the one on Wednesday. So guys, whether you're looking for an exotic fruit or some famous New Orleans pralines to take back home, you'll find it at the farmers market. kiosks, and endless trends of fresh food concoctions, the French market showcases over 50 local artists and craftsmen. From printmaking to scrubs and lotions, the market has a unique array of both local and worldly artists who sell their carefully crafted works that each represent the unique and authentic culture of New Orleans. And you know what, guys? These artists, they don't only share their creations, but they love to share their stories and experiences in the city. In addition to the multitude of crafts, boutiques, and specialty shops along the French market, the flea market hosts merchants from all over the world. This endless strip of open-air vendors presents everything from t-shirts to handmade jewelry, accessories, and photography, representing a diverse community of New Orleans tradition and new creativity. From this La Trobe Park, I continued my way towards Cafe du Monde direction. Next, I arrived at the Joan of Arc statue. I stopped here for a while to learn the history. I almost arrived at the end of the French market, and my last stop would be at Cafe du Monde. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully this video has been informative. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye!